They claim the idiot in Asorok, Aisha Buhari's lover, with the face mask, is Buhari, her husband. Yes? That's what they said, yeah? Can some of you remember only 2 weeks ago? Have you forgotten? They said, hey, Buhari appointed the COVID-19 chieftain for ECOWAS. Have you forgotten? Buhari appointed ECOWAS overall commander for COVID-19 a few weeks ago. What is happening now? As I told them, I have tied him both hands and legs. He said, now he can't come out. He can't speak. We did it. In fact, Elohim did. Elohim did. And they tell you when I can tie him both hands and legs. Do you know what's happening now? Please, the Chinas, send that video to Amaka to post for me, please, on my page. Send it now, please. They claim the idiot in Asoroko, the clown wearing a mask, Aisha Buhari's lover. That is her lover. They said they appointed him to be the COVID-19 coordinator for ECOWAS. Response for ECOWAS. Do you know what happened yesterday? Let me give you a story. Do you know that African heads of state of the regions in Africa, they had a meeting on Zoom, a highly technological meeting? Do you know who did not attend that meeting? Oh, no, I'm sure you know. Do you know who did not attend? But every day they give us picture. Oh, Buhari was attending this and that on video conference. Do you know that African heads of states, they did a teleconference yesterday on Zoom, or they were all there? Do you know who was missing? Do you know who was missing? Our dear mask-wearing lover to Aisha. Aisha brought in her boyfriend, gave him a mask. He doesn't sound like Buhari. Jubril, that they were training to sound like Buhari, is dead in Cuba. That is why you no longer see them. That is why he no longer speaks. You see what this IPOB did, and some idiots have the temerity to doubt our potency. Some fools are busy gossiping when we have destroyed an entire government. With nothing. With nothing we have destroyed. All they're doing is, I have Constitution, 1998 Constitution. I have it here. Do you want to see it? But meanwhile, Nnamdi Kanu is a thief. He's a criminal. That same Nnamdi Kanu has made it impossible for Asorok to function. That same Nnamdi Kanu has tied the zoo that whoever they call their president cannot speak in public. That is the man you are accusing of being a criminal. Has done something that all your pastors put together cannot do. Your pastors are stealing from you, you cannot see them. Do you see what envy can do to people? Do you see what money from the janjaweed can do to people?
Les échanges commerciaux et autres transactions, piliers de croissance de nos pays, sont grandement...
There was a meeting. Because I need to sound like Hebrew for the world to understand. There was a meeting. All the heads of state in Africa, all of them, they gathered to have a meeting. Surprise, surprise, the one they claim is from Nigeria, they cannot connect him. He cannot speak. He was nowhere to be found. Maybe because he was running out of the bedroom with Aisha and struggling to put on his mask. He couldn't. Now you understand it? Channels are distribute the video, let them see it. There was no Buhari because Buhari is dead in Saudi Arabia. No Jubril because Jubril is gone in Cuba. There is a boy, Aisha's lover. They gave him the mask to be wearing for them. On a matter. All manicured, his nails, manicured, eating Nigeria's money. And the night he will go to bed with the first lady. All on your money. Now they told him to come and address Cyril Ramaphosa. Come and address the president of Ado Nana Akufo of Ghana. Come and address the Rwandan president. He was nowhere to be found, but he is the COVID commander for West Africa. And as I told you, there's something they buy
Nous avons annoncé
They give money to ECOWAS and they write something for them.
travaux de recherche
And that's it.
scientifique
These are the idiots running your country.
ont abouti
You're
à
Nigeria.
l'élaboration
You're proud of.
du remède.
John Momo, you claim you went to school. John Momo, these are the idiots you're supporting with your channel's TV.
Un remède traditionnel
John Yoruba. These are the idiots you're supporting.
préparé sur
Upon all your school you went to, all the sophistry, all the, all the Harvard and the Cambridge and the Princeton. You see who you're supporting. They called a meeting of African heads of state. It's there. There was nobody because Jubril is gone. Jubril is dead. As I told you, go back to my old broadcast. I told you the clown inside there cannot speak. He can't speak. Has it not happened now? Awesome. I said, now the can is a scammer. He's a scammer. He's a scammer. And he's revealing the scam you have in Asoro. You're not even grateful. I expect Yoruba media to be thankful. Once in a while they will say, oh God, this thing, I'm Oga. I am nearly 53 years old, so I'm not a little baby. I'm Oga. You say, oh God, this thing you're doing is good, oh. Keep it up, oh. But of course, some of them do. Only when they see me at the airport, oh. The people that see me at the airport when I'm traveling is always Yoruba, and they come to me, they hug me. They say, keep it up. But what are your people doing in the media? In this? What I love the attack. As Elizabeth Taylor once said, you know there's a magazine in America that the National Enquirer, sensational. They concoct stories left us and center. You know, they were writing trash about Elizabeth Taylor, and they asked her. She said, it's better to be talked about, even in the very worst terms, than not to be spoken of at all. So I welcome it. You know, keep up the good work. People that never knew now, they come now, they know me. And they come, and they're listening tonight. They are listening. Now, they're listening tonight. And imagine what they'll make of this. Everything I say comes to pass. It's from God, not from man. Anywhere, you haven't shown me things that mere mortals cannot see. You can't see it. Even if you are alive for 200 years on this earth, will you one day think that the wrapper our women wear defines the beginning and the end of our borders? You can never know that. Not in a billion years. You can't know. We were sent to do a job, and that's the job we are doing. Give us little help to finish it. You are eating hamburger in the US. We in the US, Flan is in your village now. Useless set of idiots. I'll beg you. You are insane. Not COVID. I'll go to America, and if they know me, I will tell you to your faces how foolish you are. And I will go back to Los Angeles. I will go back to that same Hilton hotel. I will hold a meeting there. And you will come and I will tell you how foolish you are. You don't have sense. You are in America, you learned nothing over the years. You are doing your village sense, your village egotic sense. You know, best brain, and apple brain.
L'avenir compte sur nous et repose sur nos épaules, car personne à part nous, frères et sœurs africains, ne pourra et ne saura changer notre situation. Plus que jamais aujourd'hui, alors que le reste du monde se tourne enfin vers l'Afrique et commence à constater notre potentiel, nous devons défendre nos valeurs et le bien de notre peuple. Mes chers frères présidents, plus que jamais, l'Afrique est fière et déterminée. Je vous remercie.
C'est le lieu du lien d'ailleurs entre ce qui a été dit par notre frère Angeline et ce que je souhaiterais pour ma part, et je sais que tous vous êtes dans la même veine, que le CDC et nos frères, notamment de Madagascar, travaillent ensemble pour que l'Afrique soit le continent de la renaissance. Souvenons-nous, chers frères, que nous avons été le continent de la naissance de l'homme. Et également, c'est le lieu, Cyril, vous me permettez, chers amis, également, de féliciter notre cadet, notre frère, et cet engagement vigoureux qui est le sien depuis que la menace coronavirus est apparue sur le continent.
Le défi sanitaire est un problème à surmonter les médicaments qui sont nécessaires pour les remettre. Le président Rajoelina nous a parlé de ce qu'ils sont en train de faire à Madagascar et aussi nous devons de cette façon contribuer à une solution et contribuer aux efforts. Nous avons fait des progrès, je crois un communiqué va être publié qui va donner une idée de convergence sur les questions sur lesquelles nous sommes convenus. Et le processus du Covid-19 continue et on espère avoir une prochaine réunion. On va vous informer de la date et la tenue de cette réunion. Je vous remercie.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Bye bye.